Well, I wasn't around when it started, but uh, the reason the crazy boggers are here was because over the years, what used to be quite a big bog was, uh, well, people thought that bogs were useless and they wanted to get rid of them. They wanted to drain them, uh, fill them up with, well, from the Sedgwick Library. When they took the Sedgwick Library down, they took all of the landfill and whatnot and put it on the edges of the bog, and back then they just wanted to fill it in and turn it into a housing project. So the reason I got involved was not that I knew anything about bogs at that time, but once I learned a little bit about what bogs were all about, uh, we started to restore it, and the last 15 years we've had our ups and downs, but as you can see, it's a pretty nice place to be at this point. Well, the thing I like best about the bog, I guess, is the sphagnum moss, and really it's the building block of a bog. If you don't have the sphagnum, you don't have a bog, and so we have about 15 different species in the bog at this point, and I'm always down on my hands and knees looking for the 16th and trying to identify the 16th or the 17th, and it's just a beautiful place to be. As you can hear, it's very quiet and peaceful. There's birds around. There's people who are friendly and you can talk to, and then there's the I was going to say hundreds. I don't know. I imagine there are hundreds of volunteers who have come through the bog during those 15, 16 years. And so it's always nice to meet new people and then to get them interested in nature and get them volunteering and just finding about who they are as people. And, there's lots of them that have been my friends since the very beginning of my volunteering here in the bog.